Hi everybody, welcome to the Hunny Koko channel. My name is Adila and I am the creator behind the brand. I'm going to be taking you on a little behind the scenes journey of how I do the read alouds. So follow along. When I do my read alouds, I am super fortunate to have a recording studio available. So I have a laptop I use with a program called Pro Tools. I have headphones and I have a really great microphone. Not everybody has this full setup in their home, so I always say start small. Even if you start with recording on your voice memos or your voice notes, just make sure you're recording it somewhere quiet and there's not a lot of background noise and your voice is really clear, because you got to start somewhere. While I would love to do my read aloud directly from the book, the pages are kind of noisy and the mic catches everything. I take all the words from my book and I place them into my notes app and my cell phone, and I'm able to do the read aloud and not hear noisy pages. Time to record. Hunny and Koko Go to the Fair. Story by Adila, art by Lauren Picard. Topsy-turvy, whirly-swirly, double the dizzy, sipping fizzies. Hunny and Koko dreamed of the fair, dozing off in their favorite spinning chair. Inside the house of mirrors, Hunny looked around, wide-eyed. "Wow," she exclaimed, "there are so many of me. Do you see it, Koko? I'm counting 33. Koko gasped. "Oh, look over there. I can't believe it. They copied my hair. But why is it pink?" "That's cotton candy," explained Hunny. So now that the vocals are done, I'm going to make an MP3 of them and place it into Canva, and from there, I'm going to make sure to line up both my vocals and the pages. And there you have it. That's how I turned the book into a read aloud. So check it out and let me know what you think. Bye!